Hi friends, I was just taking a look over my graph of the weather for the month. Now, I chose 4 different types of weather for my graph: sunny, rainy, cloudy, and windy. Each day I add a tally to decide what is the weather for that day. Now, right now I noticed there have been more sunny days than any other type of weather. The least is windy. Windy only has 1. Today when I look out my window, I notice that it's sunny again. I'm going to add another tally for sunny. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 goes across. Now I know that sunny has 5 tally marks. There have been 5 sunny days. I also notice that rainy and cloudy days are equal. Be sure to look at your graph and use different words like more, less, and equal. Have fun!